In this video I will show you how to disable or reassign caps lock key in Windows 11. First we need to install a software called PowerToys, and it is software provided by the Microsoft. So what you need to do is run this command in command prompt. So we will right click the start button and then open terminal, and let's run our command. Okay, so we have installed PowerToys and now let's open it. And okay, it was open automatically, so you can also find the start menu shortcut and this one. So here we have several tools available. From this one, what we want is keyboard manager, and we will search here keyboard manager, and this one, and from here you need to activate this switch to enable the keyboard manager, and then we can click this option remap key. So from here, to disable caps lock key, first click on this add key remapping button, and then click on this select button on the left, and after that press the caps lock key on your keyboard to select the caps lock key, and then press OK. And now if you just want to disable the caps lock key, you can click this drop down menu and select disable, and then click OK. And now the caps lock key should be disabled. And also, instead of disabling the caps lock key, you can also assign it to another key or even keyboard shortcut or custom text. And for example, if I want to assign a keyboard shortcut like Ctrl A, what we need to do, click on this select button and then press our shortcut combination. Here I will first press Ctrl and then A, and then click OK. And now if we save this setting, when I press caps lock key, it will activate the Ctrl A keyboard shortcut. And another thing you can do, you can assign custom text, and we will go to remap key again, and this time we will select send text, and then we can type any text we want. And when we click OK, and now when we press the caps lock key, it activates that our custom text. So that's how we disable or remap the caps lock key in Windows 11 using PowerToys.